There's KZ, who I was telling you about. She wants to block somebody. Don't mess with KZ. Pretzel buns are so good. Okay, no buns, no on buns, no for the grilling them or toasting them. You're welcome, thank you. He's cooking, blah. Maybe very lightly, just a light toast on the pretzel buns. What's up, Jim? Sounds good too. No browning buns. I meant no browning buns. Okay. I won't brown my buns just yet. There's some stuff on the jersey real quick. What's up, Jay? What's up, my brother Jim? I'm making everybody sliders. Jim, what did you want your temperature? This one's a sad one. I'll give you that one. So this thing's great. It's portable. It was a cheap one. It's not, the Blackstone grill. It's just a little small portable flat top. You can fold up, put it in your car, take it to tailgating or whatever. But I've made eggs out here. I've made fried rice, stir fry, pancakes. Make a whole package of bacon in no time. Steaks, burgers, sausage, hot dogs. So it works out pretty good in a situation like this when you need it. Right? It's pretty cool, right? You're cooking for your family. I am. Soft buns. I'm thinking soft buns, too. Plus, it's less for me to clean up on this grill afterwards, which is part of the reason why. Small leather camping table. That's cool. Mom bacon. Hey, sliders for breakfast. Whatever. Wherever you're at, we can do this, right? Bacon on. Drip it all over. Drip it all over these guys. Ooh. Delicious. Doesn't that smell good, folks? You don't have to answer. Don't worry. I see you have a lake in your backyard. I don't like burgers, but I do like bacon well done. Well, that bacon is well done, so perfect. Smelling your food, cooking, I bet it smells awesome. Oh yeah, they'll be in here visiting later. So this is what we do after a hurricane. Why can I actually smell it? Because it's that damn good. The fried egg on the burgers. It is pretty good, Kelsey. I have done that before. I do like a fried egg on the burgers. I only have 2 left, otherwise I would do it. But I like your thinking. hand. So this is all that bacon grease already. But, so I don't set this up the way that they tell you to, but I intentionally like it to have everything cool in the far right corner. So all my grease goes there. And then when I'm done cooking and get everything off, I just pull it into the drain over here. Slide it over like that guy at Sakura in Michigan, or Hibachi Grill. I hibachi it. So, but this is the fun part. You guys ready? Butter on meat is so good. Butter on meat is good, but this is bacon grease. Yikes, Garden City and Carolina Beach in South Carolina, 7 feet underwater. That's a bad storm. I got my power back, Matthew. I'm good. All right, ready? There you go. This is when it gets good. Oh yeah, steam those burgers like White Castle for a minute. These are the buns, the slider buns we're using. King's Hawaiian pretzel sliders. And there's some of that extra well done bacon for you. Tastes like bacon. That gift was so cool. That burger? Nice, thank you, Casey. I can taste the bacon now. So we've got in the front, we've got your classic American cheese when it's on a Cavender's burger. Cavender seasoning is Greek seasoning. It's delicious. If you haven't tried it before, you should try it. Then we've got the blackened seasoning with the cheddar mix going on in the back. And then we'll even save a little bit of that crispy cheese that's on the flat top to snack on. But this is what you do. You use up stuff that you needed to use up too. So put it together and you got a meal. Boom. Holy moly, it looks so yummy. It is. It's going to be delicious. In fact, we're going to hit it like this one more time. Steam it for a second. We should be good. This little guy down here, he's just, he's checking out all the ants and trying to figure out how to get out of here. There's only one screen that's completely gone, brother. The rest of them pretty much are here. You're going to have to go back the way you came from, sir. Cheese makes everything better. This is what we have in our coolers still after a couple days. And this is what we come up with. Little mini sliders. These ones are blackened. My wife's having the Greek seasoning, the Cavenders. And yes, it's dirty out here, folks. Oh my God, sue me. There was a hurricane. I don't know if you knew that or not. Okay. That's what's going down right now. Ready, folks? You guys ready? Whose one is this, Pam? Whose burger is this? Who wanted it with cheese and red onion and pickles and bacon? I only need one slider, Bob.